Okay, so I am going to be doing our Mary Kay line. So this line is not has no anti-aging in it. So this line's really good for, people who are just starting out, like teenagers and so forth, who want a really good, clean skincare. Has 4 pieces. And another group of people this could be really good for are people who just can't afford good skincare and just really can't worry about the anti-aging so much anymore. Or maybe when you get older and you really can't afford it either, and you just want to just take care of your skin. So it's a really good one. We're going to start with the cleanser. This actually has cleanser for oily skin and for normal to dry. Oily to combo skin to normal to dry. And I have normal to dry, so that's obviously what I'm using. So you just put, wash your face with it. And then I'm going to use a washcloth to take it off. I think I've said this in my other videos, but using a washcloth is better than using your fingers. It just gets more dirt, oils, and impurities off. So this is a great cleanser for really anyone. Feels good. Your skin feels really clean after that. So we have the cleanser. Just use that. Then we have a scrub. So the scrub I'm going to use because I haven't used it in a little bit. You can use every other day or a couple times a week. So I'm just going to get some water on it. This is a gentle scrub. This isn't like our microdermabrasion that we have that I love and I use a couple times in the shower. Scrubs are generally better in the shower just because, and this one isn't as much as our microdermabrasion, but because it has the little scrubby things, it's just easier to get off if you're in the shower. They tend to stick in your eyebrows and around our mouths. And I love a scrub. It just makes your face feel that much better, unclogs pores. Just a good all over. Okay, so got the cleanser, just did the scrub. Remember the scrub every other day if needed. And then we have, unless you're going to be doing, you're going to be doing the cleansing, the scrub twice, 2 to 3 times a week to every other day, just once a day. And then we have the toner, balanced toner. And this is just great for balancing our pH in our skin. This you could use twice a day. And it's just great. I really like to use this after I use the charcoal mask because it just gets any of the leftover charcoal off my face. Okay, so that's, and look at the, yikes. I don't even have oily skin and I still got some stuff off, so. Okay, so that's the 3rd step. The 4th and final step is, I just did the scrub again. I don't know what I'm doing. The moisturizer, or hydrator they call. Hydrating moisturizer is the one I'm using. And then there's a mattifying moisturizer if you have the oily skin or combo skin. So we're just gonna put this on. I would highly suggest to any age group, don't forget your necks. If you have extra, put them on your hands. And that's it. Since I want eye cream, I'm gonna put some eye cream on. But this doesn't come with eye cream. But you can always get another eye cream if you wanted. And that is the Mary Kay line. 4 steps, at least 3 each time. Have a great day.